we clean up the welding here, all the way along the quarter panel. Like I say, right here on this side of the upper part of the quarter panel, whoever did the work wasn't nice and clean, so we had to grind out the bone. I had some body work already, all the way to here. So I removed all the body work, the pillar, I removed it, I kind of shaped it, and put a layer of body pillar all the way here. And there was some body work being done already before, so kind of cleaning it up, what kind of dents this section, so made that even. This part was sitting too much low on the edge of the door, trunk. Now it's pretty much
Straight.
straight, and then so we're gonna finish blocking here, and then we're gonna continue on the lower part, and now you come to the door opening. Door opening here. Somebody has tried to work on that on it. I kind of made out the line. It's supposed to be a line like just the other side. So this not once I finish the lower part, then I check this, make sure it's nice and even.
So on this panel, we already got the upper part of it. Now we're gonna move down to the lower side of it. Okay, cool. This is David. He's a very seasoned body worker here. He's working on your vehicle. Your vehicle's in good hands.